24 cervezas of beer on the wall, 24 cervezas de beer. You drink one down, then fall on the ground. 24 bottles, cervezas, Jim Henson.
Juanito, what the hell are you doing on the floor?
Hey there, gorgeous. Come lay next to the Juanster.
Oh my god, dude, this is the 5th time this week you've been wasted! I mean, come on! It's Valentine's Day! Go out and get yourself a girl! Stop moping around here!
Ugh. I had a girl. And she broke my heart. On this day, nonetheless.
Just listen up, dude. Bianca wasn't that great. I mean, it's been 7 years since the two of you got divorced. Just let it go already.
You know, you're right. From this moment on, Juanito is a free man. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna find me a woman.
What an immature child. When are you ever gonna grow up and be a sophisticated adult like myself? Sup? Oh, hey, Dev! Sure, we can play Pokemon!
Ow! Oh God, my head. Feels like it got hit by a wrecking ball. Ugh. Ugh. Damn those people like Mila Citrus. I mean, they get to make out with sledgehammers and that's considered love? I mean, come on! When is my real love ever gonna show? God, I need an answer! I need a sign! I need... By the hammer of Thor. Could it be? It is! It really is! Oh, my true love's come to me at last! This is incredible! Come on, baby. Let's spend the whole day together. Oh, I could see it now. Mucha muchacha. Mucha muchacha. Mucha muchacha. Mucha muchacha. Mucha muchacha.
Pikachu, use Thunderbolt!
Okay, Graveler, use Rock Throw! Haha, you're going down, sucker!
Oh, hey guys!
Hey, Juan, what you got there?
Ladies and gentle bros, I'd like to present to you with the love of my life, Miss Sledgy.
Juan, I don't mean to disappoint you, but that's just a sledgehammer.
Hey, don't talk about my fiancée like that. She's a real gal.
Fiance?
Real gal?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Sledgy, would you mind going into the other room for a sec? Thanks, love.
Oh man, that was priceless.
How could you guys humiliate me like that? That was so embarrassing. And to think I was gonna ask one of you two to be my best man. And it probably would have been you, cuz. No offense, Death. I mean, you're not even a human, so you don't count.
Not taken. Dick.
Oh wow, you are serious about this, aren't you? Well, you know, I would be your best man, but the fact of the matter is, it's just a stupid hammer!
You're starting to sound like a baby.
Am not! I'm a man! Hey, Death, that's cheating! Mr. Reaper, Death isn't playing fair!
Jeff, do I need to give you another 10,000 battle axe spankings? No, Daddy, I'm sorry, please don't! Good. Now play nice, but evil-like. Tattletale. Tell.
You know what? Forget you guys and demonic creatures, I think. Sledge and I are out of here.
Huh. Now, where were we? Ah, yes. Gyarados, use Dragon Rage! Oh yeah. Game over, Deathy boy.
Hunter, I swear to God I'm gonna kill you.
But Hunter's already dead.
Gather the Dragon Balls.
Alright, Sledgy, let's get out of here so we can... What is going on? Sledgy, how could you do this to me? You whore! Awful person!
Hey, Juanito. You okay, dude?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Ah, cheer up, man. I'm sure one day you'll find the girl or object of your dreams.
But no one as beautiful as Sledgy was.
Yeah, she's probably getting hammered right now. No pun intended.
Whatever, man.
Hey, I know what'll make you feel happy. Here. Death and I made this for you.
You guys, this is great! Thank you!
I colored and drawn it for you.
You really like it?
Yeah!
My beautiful art!
I ran out of toilet paper this morning, but now I have wipes! Now, if you don't mind, I have a crappy date tonight with Miss Toilet. Excuse me.
Man!